at Madison, it was partly sunny, with a temperature of 23. At Milwaukee, it was cloudy, with a temperature of 28. Across the Dakotas, skies ranged from mostly sunny to partly sunny. It was 14 at Fargo and 28 at Sioux Falls. In Iowa, it was mostly sunny. It was 31 at Des Moines and 21 at Mason City. Once again at noon in the Twin Cities, it was 14 degrees. The wind chill was 5. Under mostly sunny skies. Now the forecast for the Twin Cities metropolitan area. Today, partly cloudy. Highs in the mid-20s. South winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Tonight, mostly cloudy. Lows in the lower 20s.
The National Weather Service in Chanhassen, Minnesota has just activated the warning alarm on 13 weather radio stations across central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin during dangerous weather situations. These specially built every Wednesday at 1 p.m. If severe weather threatens the area near the normal test time, the test will be postponed until the next good weather day. The warning alarm will be activated for watches, warnings, and statements affecting central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. This concludes the test of the warning system. We now return to normal programming.
This is